Like most businesses, you are probably overpaying on utility expenses, such as energy and telecom. Every month you receive a bill, but many times these statements will be incorrectly billed and you end up paying more than you should. These errors and overcharges often go undetected and you end up losing thousands of dollars every year. But what if there was a way to recover those lost profits that involves no time or upfront costs to you? Here at Vert Energy Group, we have developed a system to solve this problem with our no-cost utility bill analysis. A utility bill analysis will help you save money and optimize spending. Utility bills often contain errors and overcharges that go undetected, which increases overhead costs and reduces profits. Utility companies such as electric, water, and telephone are not required to review every account to catch these mistakes, or even to ensure that you are on the correct rate plan. A third-party professional utility bill analysis can provide substantial refunds and put cash back in your pockets. This is a thorough analysis of your billing history that identifies errors and recovers overspent money in the form of refunds and credits. In addition, we compare every tariff offered by your utility to ensure you are on the most optimal rate plan. Usually, the utility company will simply sign up your business on a default plan based on your industry that will end up costing you more money than you should be paying. Once refund and tariff optimization opportunities are found, we negotiate on your behalf to recover those funds. This means there is minimal staff involvement needed so you can focus on your core business. Lastly, we continue to monitor your account to ensure you keep up with all the tariff changes and that you are always on the most optimal rate plan. The best part is, there is absolutely no out-of-pocket cost or risk to your organization. The utility bill analysis is done strictly on a contingency basis, and we are only compensated once you realize savings or any refunds. So why do these errors occur in the first place? Simply, it happens because within any given utility bill, there are dozens of line items, charges, and meters that can complicate the bill, especially with telecom expenses. The utility companies simply don't have enough resources to double check every bill, so these errors go undetected and you end up paying more than you should be. Common errors include overcharges, misreading the meter, the business can be on the wrong rate plan, typographical errors, and much more. On average, 70% of our clients realize savings, with the average savings ranging from 10 to 20%. Here is an example of how it works. Looking at XYZ's past billing history, we identified two errors. The electric company misclassified XYZ and had them on the small business rate plan. This resulted in $21,000 in overpayments over the last year and a half. There was also a misread demand charge that was 5 times higher than the normal read and increased cost by $3,500. At the time of the analysis, time zero, we negotiated with the utility company on behalf of XYZ, and a total refund of $24,500 was issued. Over the next few years, we continued to monitor their account for errors, as well as keep them on the least expensive tariff. 8 months later, the electric company released new tariffs, and rate plan B was found to be the most optimal plan. This reduced costs by 2 cents per kilowatt hour. Later, an expansion in business operations allowed the company to qualify for a new rate plan that will save an additional 1 cent per kilowatt from the current rate plan. We offer a turnkey service where we obtain all billing history directly from your utility providers, perform a comprehensive and expert analysis with experienced professionals and proprietary software. We negotiate and contact the utility companies on your behalf to save your staff time. And finally, we stay abreast on all utility tariff changes made throughout the year to ensure you are always on the most optimal rate plan. There are many benefits of having a utility bill assessment with no downside to your company. This can reduce your overhead expenses without any upfront costs or risk. We limit your staff involvement so you can focus on running your business. Significant savings and refunds are often achieved that can put thousands of dollars back into your pocket. And finally, we give you the peace of mind in knowing you will now always be billed correctly and you will never overspend on utilities again. The best part is, any organization that pays utility bills will benefit. From commercial, industrial, to government organizations, there is no reason not to undergo a utility bill analysis. There is no cost, risk, or downside, only untapped savings to be realized. To request a free utility bill analysis or for more information, visit us at vertenergygroup.com or contact us with the information on the screen.